There are several menus that you might be faced with at a restaurant. One would be the wine list. Two, the food menu. Three would be the specials of the day. But don't be intimidated. Most people select the food menu first. And after they've decided their meal, the second step is to select the wine. The problem with that is this. The food that you have selected, they may not, i.e. the restaurant, may not have the appropriate wine that would pair very well with the food. It doesn't go hand in hand, you know, like a glove over your fingers. It doesn't fit well. So what do? You've chosen a lovely meal, but the wine is not going to pair. So one way that you could get around that is to actually select the wine first. So go to the wine list, decide what wine you'd like, then go back to your menu, the food menu, and decide what food will pair with the wine. So here's wishing you great pairing with the wine that you select. So please comment, like, share, or subscribe to our videos.